Hello, doctor. Hello. May I know your name, please? My name is David. Sit down, please. Can you tell me your situation? I have got insomnia lately. What time do you go to bed? Quite late. I only sleep 4 hours on average. That's terrible, David. Adults need at least 6 to 7 hours for a good sleep. I know, but I just have to do a lot of work. Have you got headache? Yeah, and I usually wake up at midnight. And I can never be back to my ordinary sleep. I suggest you to take some rest, David. You know, you are gradually shortening your lifespan. Yeah, I'll take a prescription for you. But you remember one thing, you cannot always depend upon medicines. I'll follow your advice, doctor. Doctor, please tell me when is my operation? The operation is on the next Monday. Okay, I'll be ready. How long will it take? By the way, I guess half an hour. Will there be any after effects? I'm afraid that you will no longer eat seafood after the operation. Okay, it's no big deal to me. That's good. See you soon. Can I meet my wife right now, doctor? I'm afraid. No. What is the matter? How is she now? Is she getting worse? Please calm down, sir. She is okay at the moment. She is just under anesthesia. We are going to have a surgery tomorrow. Is it a major one? No, it isn't. Just a quick check. Don't worry. Okay, if there is anything serious, please announce me, doctor. I have to go now. Trust us, sir. Goodbye.